Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2015 Nissan Sentra SV. Under the hood we have a 1.8-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks great. You do have the Nissan badging right up front there with your headlights right there, very bright. And coming around the side here we do have our rims and our tires. They look fantastic. We do have 16-inch rims with our tires there, the Continental brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, look great. You do have the heated exterior mirrors right there as well. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have that SV badging as well as the Sentra and the Nissan. You can lift this guy up here. Looks great back here, lots of room. Very soft as well, looks great. You can put lots of stuff back there, and you can fold those seats forward as well. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses to lock it, 2 presses to unlock all the doors. You have that one to open up the back and your panic button there. But let's unlock and let's take a look. We do have the lock and unlock button right here as well if you did want to use that, as long as you do have your keys on your person. And on the door here we do have electric mirrors, windows and locks all right here, handle there, and some storage down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats as well. Very nice and soft. You do also have the controls over your in-cabin lights here. You have your control over your mirrors. You have this guy open up the back, your Eco Sport mode, and you also have your traction control right there. Then right up here, we do have the controls over our lights, so our off, our on, our daytime running lights, and our auto, as well as our turning signals and our high beams. Okay, let's start her up. So keys in the cup holder, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also right in the middle there have our average kilometers. We have how many kilometers we have, and we also have the temperature outside with what gear we're in. We can switch that around to our distance still empty. We also have our trip A and trip B. We also have our average there, and we have all sorts of different gas mileage stuff. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your selector there, your source, your volume up and down, and your Bluetooth options there. Horn in the center and cruise control options right over here. Right over here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. And then in the center we do have our display here. Looks great. You do have AM and FM all in there, as well as Sirius XM. You also have your media tab here if you do have one hooked up. You have your CD player up here with your scan, your Seek, and all those, your apps. And you also have your back there. You have your volume up and down with the power. You have your different presets down here. And you also have your enter there. When you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Then in the climate control, we do have the power up and down with the AC, circulation, and where it's going to blow out of up here. And then you have your defrosts down there. You also have your AC and how hot it's going to be there. A little bit of storage right here. And you also have your gear shift right there. In the center here we do have our cup holders, our parking brake, and we also have our heated seats right there. Right here we do have our armrest that doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there as well. Looks great. You do have a aux cord and a USB plug-in right there as well if you did want to play music through there. And then over here we do have our glove box, lots of room in there, and we do have our owner's manual as well. And right up here we do have the controls over our lights and a sunglass holder right there. Okay, let's take a look at the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, handle, and in some cup holder right down here. Looks great in here. Same material as the front, very soft. You can fold this down as well. And then you do have your armrest with some cup holders right there. You can also pull this little guy right here and fold that down just like that. Then you got some extra room. And there's our 1.8-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2015 Nissan Sentra SV. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.